I hope you like my pink pants. What's up? First thing you can do, man, just get a smile on your face right now. Smile right now. I know you want to. Think about how much you've actually changed over the months, the years. You might not even have cared about the way you felt years ago. The fact that you're watching this video itself is amazing. I know I felt like that for years. I didn't care about what I did. I just wanted to basically do nothing, waste all the time I had. But if I could just tell myself one little piece of advice thing to anyone, and when I've been told it helped me so much, is just once you realize if you don't give up, you'll win. Life becomes so simple. Simplify your life, focus on a few things, get really good at them. Get phenomenal, exquisite at those key areas that you enjoy, you want to pursue. The pain you're feeling right now is nothing to the joy you'll feel in the future. Trust me, those days are going to come where you feel phenomenal. I was bored in school one day, so before class started, I made a little poll for pancakes or waffles. Walked around the whole class asking people to tally what they think. Pancakes obviously won, but just being able to make the most out of those situations make life feel so rich. You don't have to do crazy stuff, but make an effort to do what you like, what you think would be cool. Don't stress about catching all the butterflies, but enjoy the field that you're in. Hope you can think about this. See you later.